I got a comment here about me speaking English in my video. Sorry, but um, I rather speak Bisaya than Tagalog kasi kapoy man gud mag-Tagalog. Kapoy gid siya. Even kay Samo ang balay, we speak English. Akong husband, di na siya kabaw mo Bisaya. Okay, ang asta ako ang anak wala pug kakailan ako, so manong maka-judge pug ka nga dapat mag Tagalog or whatever, right? So I'm comfortable speaking Bisaya, but then majority of my demographic sa channel is Englishman, so pasensya na, and thank you for commenting, but sad to say I cannot push what you are trying to imply because I don't speak in the house Tagalog, and I don't speak Bisaya also in the house. I teach my son Tagalog, but he has a hard time speaking because it's not his first tongue. Okay? So, pasensya na, at tapos hindi mo rin ako kilala, so ganyan yung nasasabi mo, parang judgmental. Sorry, pasensya na. So, if you don't like my channel, just swept away, and scroll on. Move on with your life, okay? Don't leave a footprints in the sand. Kasi it doesn't mean anything. Just comment on the video what values. Kasi English naman, 'di ba? Maka-understand ka naman ng English, try your best to speak in Tagalog, 'di ba? Because English naman is teach in school. So wala namang wala namang pagkakamali diyan, 'di ba? So, and besides, if you're gonna talk about my citizenship, I'm naturalized. I'm Filipino American. So, wag na, okay? So, and also thank you for commenting kay 'di ba? Napapasaya mo rin yung channel ko. And I know you're not watching because you didn't really say a comment. You just based on judging me based on my language. So, you're not really watching. So, that's all I can say.